Today, I'll show you how to schedule a Webex meeting. Whether you're planning a virtual team meeting, a client presentation, or just a casual catch up, Webex makes it easy to gather people together in one virtual space. Let's dive right in and see how you can set up your next meeting seamlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to webex.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to create one to get started. Once you're on the website, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Meetings. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage all your scheduled and past meetings. Now that you're in the meeting section, look for the Schedule button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on it to begin setting up your new meeting. This action will open a form where you can enter all the details about your meeting. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a topic for your meeting. This is essentially the name or title of your meeting and should be clear and descriptive so your invitees know what to expect. For example, if it's a weekly project update, you might title it Weekly Project Update Meeting. Next, you'll choose the date and time for your meeting. Be sure to select a time that works for all your participants, keeping in mind any time zone differences if you're dealing with attendees from different regions. Once you've set the date and time, there's an option to add a description. This is useful for providing additional context or an agenda for your meeting, ensuring everyone is on the same page. After that, it's time to add your invitees. You can do this by entering their email addresses. Webex will send them an invitation with all the details they need to join the meeting. This is a crucial step because it ensures that everyone you want to attend gets notified and can plan accordingly. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Schedule button. Congratulations, your Webex meeting is now scheduled. Your invitees will receive an email with a calendar link and all the information they need to join the meeting. You can also manage your scheduled meetings from the meeting section on the Webex website, where you can make any necessary adjustments or cancellations. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to scheduling a meeting on Webex. With these steps, you can easily host virtual meetings smoothly and efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the platform further and discover additional features that might enhance your meetings. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.